Let's be completely honest for a second. Have you ever spent weeks crushing heavy deadlifts, pull-ups, or intense gym sessions, only to realize your arms still look like toothpicks sticking out of your t-shirt? Or maybe you've bought every grip tool online, spent an hour doing traditional wrist curls until your arms burned, but 2 weeks later, absolutely zero change. Why is it that some guys barely hit arms and have forearms that look like steel cables, while the rest of us are out here struggling to pop open a tight jar of pickles? What if I told you that 90% of the forearm advice you see on social media is actually keeping your arms small? There is a hidden biomechanical reason your forearms aren't growing, and it has nothing to do with your genetics or how hard you're working. Drop a comment right now and tell me, what is the single biggest frustration you face with your grip strength or forearm size in real life? Do your hands give out during heavy lifts, or are you just tired of your arms looking tiny? Let me know below. Exercise number 1, wrist curl. First up is the ultimate mass builder, wrist curls with full finger extension. Most people do wrist curls the old-fashioned way. They death grip a barbell and just move their wrists up and down. But when your fingers stay clenched, your largest flexor muscles stay trapped in a short position. To fix this, rest your forearms flat on a bench with your palms up. As you lower the dumbbell, completely open your hand and let the weight roll all the way down to your fingertips. You will feel an intense, deep stretch across the entire underside of your arm. Curl the weight back up into your palm first, then flex your wrist. That extra stretch changes everything. Exercise number 2, reverse curl. Next, we need to build top-down thickness using reverse curls to target the brachioradialis. This is the muscle that creates the illusion of massive arms even when you're just standing still. But here is the pro-level upgrade. Use a thumbless grip. By removing your thumb from under the bar, you strip away your hand's natural mechanical advantage. Your forearms are forced to fire at 100% capacity just to keep the bar from crashing down. Keep your elbows locked to your sides and curl. And if you really want to trigger freakish growth, use this advanced trick from the video. Once you hit failure on full reps, immediately burn out 6 to 8 partial reps right at the top half of the movement. Exercise number 3, towel barbell hold. Finally, we have the most underrated movement for raw, functional power, towel barbell holds. Standard barbell holds let the metal bar rest passively in the creases of your hands. It's too easy. Wrap 2 small towels around the bar instead. When you grip the thick, shifting fabric of a towel, your fingers have to squeeze with maximum crushing force just to maintain a hold. Lift the bar just a few inches off the pins and hold on for dear life for 30 to 45 seconds. Your hands will be shaking, your flexors will be on fire, and your grip strength will skyrocket. Stop wasting time on endless random arm exercises. Put these 3 science-backed movements into your routine twice a week, track your progress, and watch your forearms completely transform in as little as 14 days. Don't forget to comment below with your real-life grip struggles so we can solve them together. Hit that like button, subscribe for more smart gains, and I'll see you in the next video.